In my 38 years of career as a civil servant, I had the occasion to visit many institutes, interacted with many students, even as secretary school education. But I have never had this experience that I've had today. Don't think I came across such bright, brilliant school children in terms of their understanding of scientific concept, in terms of their ability to analyze and present, in terms of their communication skills. To me, it was an absolutely amazing experience. I think this good story needs to be told to many schools, and I have absolutely no doubt that many schools are going to adopt what you're doing. I would believe that what is happening here is truly seminal and it can be scaled. This is something again which is not happening elsewhere in the country at the levels that you're doing. I have always believed that you have to catch them young. So if you want to change the thinking, you want to make them inquisitive, you want to push them into research, school is the right place. So the beauty of what I saw today was not merely an idea, the beauty was that idea was happening.